Okay, time check is 4:03. I started this script in the morning, 9 o'clock, and then just finished this afternoon. So, spent a lot of time this one, cracking this one. So, the original script is from my previous post about DB schedule, electrical circuit automation. So, you're matching the two parameters in Revit, and then you match in Excel. Then once match, you place here all the information. But this one is mechanical equipment. Same process, but different scripts. I edited. Okay. So this one, if the equipment schedule, area served, and then equipment level location is matched to the Excel schedule, where is it? This one. So for example, if the two is matched, then you have we will write the unit name and the control panel name, this one, into here in this column in Revit. So I'll open Dynamo now. So I'm extremely happy because I was able to crack this one. It took me almost 6 hours, 7 to actually it took me 2 days because I have to plan, prepare, and think what will be the scenario and on how to construct this script. Okay, equipment schedule auto fill. So if I open this one, so okay, the first is that this one is to get the mechanical equipment, and then you get this schedule, all the mechanical equipment, and then after that you check the parameter, get element parameter, and then you filter it, get the index. Okay, so and also this is the Excel data from Excel. So if you check this one, it's not run. I will run this one. I will freeze this one. Okay, freeze, and then run automatic. So if we check now the index, this one. So this is the Revit schedule, and then this is the Excel schedule. So we're going to get the unit name and control panel name from Excel, and then paste it, automated to paste it in the mechanical equipment. Okay, schedule. So this is the script. It's a little mesh. It's not sorted out, but here's the final list add item to the end. So this one, this is the one you want to add, the two, the name, unit name, and the control panel name. So after that, it's just easy. You have to just place again element set parameter by name, and then you set the element name parameter, control panel control name. So if we minimize this one, it has no name yet. Instead of typing here one by one, or we can also export this one using automation like the Roots apps sheet link, and then after that we can copy paste also from here. So for example, you can just after export you can copy this one. But it's just a scenario, no? Maybe this one is not yet populated. You only populated this one, for example. Then it's, if you have populated here in Excel, then you are going to transfer in Revit, and then maybe it's not in order. Then this is the best process to match only the two parameter, area served and location, together, and then it will populate all the names here. So if you're after that, if you're okay, so you type now the unfreeze this one. So this is the control unit name. If I unfreeze this one, it will populate now the naming here. Okay, and then again, if I unfreeze also this one, it will populate also based on the matching together. So it's not limited to mechanical equipment, electrical, we can use this one. So, and one more thing, if I close this one, okay, yes, I go to the 3D. If I change here the flow, let's say, this is parametric also, it's controlled by the flow. If I select all of them and then I select, let's say, exhaust in flow, let's say 300, it will change all, and also the naming, the type of the family, it will change. But the unit name will not change because, for example, this one, this is 4, this is 3. It will not change because it's controlled by type, instance parameter. So if I go back to the schedule, the same, no, the schedule will not change, but the dimension here, if I add additional dimension, let's say additional parameter, okay, I will add and then shared parameter, select mechanical. So I want DN, area served, what else? Unit name. Okay, DN first. Okay, so you see, this is the, you will see also the sizing, DN, and then we'll add again, let's see, shared parameter, mechanical. It's important to use shared parameter because lookup, column, level, location. What else? Unit name, this one, you can add this one. So, I don't know, it's not yet populated. Okay, anyway, so if I go back to the 3D template, so just watch here the sizing. If I change this one, let's say I change all the third floor into 600, it will change also the dimension here. It will be 315 based on the actual catalog from the manufacturer. So this one also, it will change, let's say 150. So it will change also 150 flow, the diameter connection from the neck connection to this one. So meaning here, the diameter here is 150. So this one you can control by flow based on the data by the manufacturer. So that's a good thing about this one. Also, if you exceed the number of flow, let's say we did not input a specific flow, let's say 1,000. I set it to 100 or 50. I think 1,000 is 100, because if you set the default to 0, then it will have a problem in the constraint of all the dimensions and parameter, length and width and height. So that's why just the minimum size, we just limit to 100. Even though it is 50 LPS, still it will go to 100. So let's say 5,000 LPS, it still go to 100 unless we change the formula. So the formula will be the family in here. It's already all, the lookup table is linked together with size lookup, and then this DN checker also is an if statement formula. So all the information is in here, and then once you set this one, it's easier for the team, just change the airflow, and then the equipment also will change. And also the naming also is already done by the Dynamo script. No need to rename that one. As long as you set this one in correct level, let's say, where's the level? Location, this one, or this one, ME equipment level location. As long as you set that one in correct level, then the rest will follow. No need to go one by one and then type here all the unit naming. So I guess that's it. So my next stage is this one is the um, mechanical ventilation exhaust fans. I will go also next into this equipment schedule unit A. So again, this is also controlled by the flow. We will transfer all the process here in the MV into here. I think I did not change yet the dimension of this one, the lockup table. So I guess that's it. Panot.